everyone, Rachel Willow here. So I didn't do Wednesdays with Willow last week because we had friends in town and a gathering for HQ, so I just kind of scrapped that and figured I would do something this week. With the gathering, I ended up having a good amount of leftover veggies. So as a result, lots of crock pot soups are being made. So yesterday was a cauliflower cheddar soup, which is so good. So if you guys want the recipe for that, comment below. That one's so easy to make. Today will be a broccoli cheddar soup. And then tomorrow I'm gonna make up a chicken noodle soup minus the noodles because I always use those once I reheat. I don't cook them with the crock pot because then they'll end up breaking down, and when you go to reheat, it's just a hot mess. So what's in here and what the recipe calls for is 2 heads of broccoli, 1 onion, 2 carrots, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 32 ounces of chicken broth, which then you'll mix with a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and pour that all over. You're gonna cover it, put it on low, and let that cook for 6 hours. Now once that's done, you're gonna use a pound of Velveeta. I personally don't have Velveeta in the house, but I do have a block of cheddar from the party, so I'm gonna shred that all up. And then a cup of heavy cream. So once the 6 hours is done, add the cheese, add the heavy cream, mix it all up, let it melt, and then you can either eat it as is, or if you don't wanna have all of the chunks from the broccoli, you can use an emulsion blender to blend it all up. Then let it cool, put it in freezer gallon bags or an airtight container, and you have soup to reheat once the weather gets a little bit cooler. So if you guys have any questions, you want to see additional recipes, comment below. Now that the weather is starting to change towards fall, unfortunately, here soon, more crock pot recipes are going to be coming out, which is fine by me because they're pretty quick and easy. But I'm not quite ready for the winter to come and the colder weather. But if you guys want any other recipes, like I said, comment below. If you want to see any more summer recipes while we still have a little bit of warm weather, let me know what you're looking for. And I will put in the comments some other ways to utilize leftovers after a gathering, so that way you get the most bang for your buck.